You ever look at your car's dashboard and think, man, something's missing here? Like some modern tech? Maybe easy access to Waze, Spotify, or just being able to take calls without taking your hands off the wheel? A lot of us have great cars, but they didn't come with that fancy built-in screen. And upgrading it can get really expensive. But what if there was a smarter wireless solution you could install yourself in minutes? Let's talk about the Yongeid Portable Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto Display. In this 2025 review, I'll test it out and answer two big questions. Is it actually good? And more importantly, is it worth it? Alright, let's start from the beginning. Unlike a regular car stereo, this one's portable, which means it doesn't replace your car radio. It just sits next to it and makes your life easier. When you open the box, here's what you get. A nice 7-inch HD touchscreen. Looks pretty sharp. Then there's the power cable that plugs into your 12-volt port. An adjustable adhesive mount, so you can stick it anywhere on your dashboard. A little AUX cable. And surprise bonus, a backup camera. Right away, it feels like everything's been thought through. You're basically getting a full package. No extra shopping needed. Okay, now let's talk setup. No tools needed. Seriously, just stick the mount wherever you want on your dash, snap in the screen, plug in the power cable, and you're done. Now for the cool part, connecting your phone. Whether you're an iPhone or Android user, pairing is totally wireless via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Once it's connected once, it should remember your phone and auto-connect every time you hop in the car. That's the kind of convenience we expect these days, right? Full access to Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Maps, music, messages, podcasts. All controlled by voice using Siri or Google Assistant. Keeps your focus where it should be, on the road. Let's check out the screen real quick. It's a 7-inch display with HD resolution, 1024 by 600. Not ultra-high def, but clear enough for maps and media. The touchscreen feels responsive, which is always a plus. Now, how does the sound work? Well, there's a small built-in speaker. Works fine for basic stuff. But the best part? You've got options. If your car supports Bluetooth audio, you can stream directly through your speakers, or use the included AUX cable for clean, uninterrupted sound. And for older cars without Bluetooth or AUX, there's an FM transmitter option. Just tune to an unused station and boom, you're good to go. If this video already helped you decide or gave you something useful, give it a thumbs up. Really helps me out. Quick tip. Prices on products like this can change fast. So, if you want to catch a good deal, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. I'll keep you posted when I find any good offers, either in a new video or in the channel community. Don't miss out. Alright, let's break it down. What's working? Big plus, wireless connection works smooth. Works with any vehicle, seriously. Setup? Super easy. And that backup camera in the box? Huge value. Downsides? Since it's external, it won't blend in like a factory unit. The power cable will be visible unless you hide it. And performance depends on your phone, since it's doing all the processing. So yeah, it's a trade-off. You lose that clean, built-in look, but gain flexibility, affordability, and ease of use. Final thoughts. Is it good? Yep. Does exactly what it says on the box. Gives you a modern, wireless way to connect your phone to your car. Is it worth it? That depends. If your car already has a built-in system, probably not. But if you drive an older car you love, a truck, van, motorhome, and you're tired of holding your phone while driving or missing out on modern features, then yes. Big yes. For a very affordable price, this thing upgrades your whole driving experience, making it safer, smoother, and way more convenient. Thanks for watching. Hope this review helped you figure out if the Yongeid display is right for you. Remember, tech doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Sometimes the smartest solutions are the simplest ones. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future reviews. And if you've tried this product or have any questions, drop a comment below. Let's chat and help others out too. See you next time.